so today I have a Justice box I'm going to open. I'm so excited to open it. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so this tear here. Ooh, okay. It's opening, sort of. This is packed hard. Ooh. Okay. Alright, so let's see what's in here. So this is the shirt that I have here. It's a New York shirt. It's really cute. I love it. You guys can see there's tons of skyscrapers there. You can see tons of stars, all this cool stuff, and it says New York on the bottom. It's really cool. So I'm gonna set that to the side. Okay. The next thing is no, this can't be. I wanted these pants so badly. Oh my gosh. Yes! Thank you, Justice. These are my favorite active pants. Thank you. So I'm gonna put that with my shirt. And now for the big guy. Okay, let's get this thing out. Oh, yes. I also wanted this too. I'm so excited to wear this. I'm actually gonna wear it tonight because I want to feel how it feels when I'm sleeping. So look, it has a horn, it has hair, like a mane right here. It's really cool. I love it. And then it's gold and white. And then if you can see this girl on the tag right here, she has the hoodie on, and she actually looks like a unicorn. And then the back is a tail. It's gonna be, oh, I'm so excited. So excited to wear it. Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside. Okay, let's see what else is here. Ooh! I got a face mask. It's a berry sprinkle scented. Actually, that's probably gonna smell really good. I'm really excited to try it. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side too. I got this Justice bag. It's really cute. If you can see, there's Live Justice right here, and then it feels like an athletic bag. So you can put a lot of things in here. Like if you do sports, you can put a lot of your sport things in here. So that's really cool. Probably gonna need that. Okay. Oh, and I got another face mask. This is called Vanilla Sugar Scented. So that's gonna be really fun to try. I'm excited for that too. And then put that to the side. And then I got 2 bath bombs. Woohoo! This is gonna be great to try in the bath. I'm excited. Thank you, Justice.